Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add or delete widgets on the lock screen and home screen on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Okay, so the first step of the operation would be opening up the settings and going to wallpaper and style. Here, choose which of the screens, either the lock screen or the home screen, to customize. I want to customize my lock screen. And here tap on the add widgets button and, for example, add the battery widget. As you can see, you can add multiple, and when you're done, just press the done button and you will see when you lock your phone that the widgets have been successfully added to your lock screen. So, if you considered the video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.